Welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. On today's episode, we have a gentleman's duel. I'm not talking about that kind of duel, but rather I am talking about two cocktails where the only difference is the base spirit, a blended Scotch versus a barrel-proof bourbon. Some cocktails are quiet thinkers, others are loud charmers. Today we're going to meet both, the Sentimental Gentleman and his wild at heart brother, the Staggering Gentleman. It's a comparison of classic elegance versus bold adventure. Without further ado, let's get into it. I'm a bad one. So both of these cocktails are made with just 3 ingredients, so they're super simple to make. We are only changing out the base spirit on each of these, one with blended Scotch and the other with barrel strength bourbon. So first up, the Sentimental Gentleman. He's smooth, well-read, carries a fountain pen, and probably knows your grandmother's maiden name. Here's what we're going to need for the Sentimental Gentleman. Monkey Shoulder Scotch, Benedictine, walnut liqueur, and lemon twist for garnish. We'll start by adding a large ice ball to a rocks glass so it can temper, and then we'll set that aside for right now. Next, we'll grab our mixing glass, and to that we're going to add 2 ounces of Monkey Shoulder blended Scotch. Now, Monkey Shoulder is one of my go-to spirits for Scotch cocktails. It's reasonably priced, it blends well together with pretty much everything. Next up, we'll add a ½ ounce of Benedictine liqueur. Now, a quick aside on Benedictine for those that aren't familiar with this liqueur. The recipe dates back to the early 1500s. It's a French liqueur that was invented and made by Benedictine monks. The closely guarded recipe has been passed down through the generations. It's comprised of 27 different herbs and spices, including angelica root, honey, and saffron, which is still one of the most expensive spices in the world. It's distilled in copper pot stills and then put into French oak barrels to age for 8 months. It's then taken out of the barrels, blended with saffron and honey, heated up, and then placed in an oak tank to rest for another 4 months before they actually filter it and then bottle it. On its own, it has a very herbal and spicy nose with hints of citrus, and on the palate, it's very silky with notes of light honey, citrus, and almonds. It's also used in one of my other favorite cocktails, the Vieux Carré. Spoiler, there'll be a video coming out on that soon. Now back to our Sentimental Gentleman. We only have 1 ingredient left to add, and that's a ½ ounce of walnut liqueur. I'll add some ice to our mixing glass and stir for 30 seconds to chill and dilute. Lastly, I'll strain this into our rocks glass. garnish, I'm going to do a quick lemon twist. And there you have it, the Sentimental Gentleman. Let's give it a taste. Cheers, y'all. So it's warm, thoughtful, and complex, like an old love letter with a little bit of bourbon spilled on it. It's very refined and balanced. This makes a fantastic nightcap cocktail. All right, next up, we have the Staggering Gentleman. Now, don't be fooled by the name. He's not stumbling. He's just striding confidently into the unknown. Here's what we'll need for the Staggering Gentleman. It's the same as before, except instead of Scotch, we'll use barrel strength bourbon. So we have barrel strength bourbon. For this, I'm going to use some Elijah Craig barrel proof. This is actually batch A123 at 125.6 proof. We'll also need Benedictine, our walnut liqueur, and again a lemon twist for garnish. We'll make this the same way as we made the Sentimental Gentleman. I'll start by adding 2 ounces of our barrel proof bourbon. Follow that up with a ½ ounce of Benedictine. Lastly, ½ ounce of walnut liqueur. Add some ice to our mixing glass and give this a stir for 30 seconds. I'll strain this into a rocks glass over a large ball of ice. Finally, I'll add the lemon twist. And there you have it, the Staggering Gentleman. Let's give this one a taste. Cheers, y'all. Yeah, that's spicy, punchy, playful, the kind of drink that says, let's take a risk, but maybe bring some snacks. It has the same undertones of the Sentimental Gentleman, but it does kick it up a notch with the barrel-proof bourbon. Now this guy, he's the life of the party. He still texts you the next day to say, did you get home safe? So now that we've made both of these cocktails and tasted them, here's some thoughts. One leans in and listens to your stories. The other one grabs your hand and makes a few new ones. Different vibes, same level of charm. I view the Sentimental Gentleman as the closer to the evening, and the Staggering Gentleman more as the opener to get the evening started. To the Sentimental and Staggering Gentleman, it's proof that every gentleman brings something unforgettable to the table. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I truly appreciate the support. I'll keep bringing you whiskey-related content. If there's something specific you would like to see, or if you try either of these versions of the Sentimental Gentleman or the Staggering Gentleman, let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time.